Army Hearties, welcome back to another video. In the vast sea of YouTube content, your hook is your chance to stand out and convince viewers that your video is worth their time. So by the end of this video, you'll have 7 tips on how to hook your audience. Arr! The hook of your video should be in the first 30 seconds and should start with a greeting or a question, as this is a good way to establish a connection with your audience. Secondly, within your hook, it's always a good idea to introduce the topic of your video, to grab your audience's attention and let them know what they can expect from your video. If it fits, telling a brief story to describe your video can really build a rapport with your audience. You can even use humor. A good laugh can make your audience instantly feel connected to you. For tip number 4, if your video is solving a problem, be sure to mention that right away because it tells the viewer that you've got the answer they're looking for. Now, on to tip number 5. During the intro, it's always a good idea to include some background music, which can help to create a mood and make your video even more engaging. So, overall, if the hook of your video is good, it will establish a connection with the audience, introduce the topic of the video, and create anticipation for what's to come. However, the hook could be made even more attention-grabbing by using a more exciting or intriguing introduction. Which brings us to tip number 6. You could consider using visuals or animations to make your hook more visually appealing and engaging. And finally, one other way to catch people's attention is to start with a controversial statement, if it makes sense for your video. Listen, crafting a captivating hook is a crucial skill in content creation. Remember, the goal of a hook is not just to seize your viewers' attention, but to also pique their curiosity, inviting them to stay till the end. Well, guys, I know that this was a short video, but I hope it helps. And if you'd like more content like this, be sure to subscribe. Have a good one.